This is how to play table tennis or ping pong. They're both played on the same type of table and are very similar. A game is played to 11 points, but the winning player must win by 2. And competitions are usually the best of 5 games, so whichever player wins 3 games first wins the competition. Each player serves for 2 points at a time, and then the serve alternates to the other player. Unlike volleyball, it doesn't matter who serves to decide who gets the point. In table tennis, after the serve, each player should let the ball bounce once and only once on their side, and then hit it over the net. However, in ping pong, the ball must bounce once on both sides of the net each time. A player gets a point if the other player fails to hit it over the net, or if the other player hits the ball too far and it doesn't bounce on your side. If the ball hits the net but still goes over, it still counts. Unless that happens during a serve, then it's a let, or a do-over. The ball is considered in if it hits any part of the top of the table, including the white lines, but not if it hits the side or bottom of the table. To serve, the player must hold the ball in the palm of their hand and toss it up at least 6 inches. And then it must bounce on each side of the table 1 time. And when serving, the racket must stay behind the edge of the table. This would be an illegal serve. Players are not permitted to rest their hand or lean on the table during play. And that's how to play ping pong or table tennis.